Let me read the question of exercise 6.3. Question number 50. A vertical pole of a length 6 meter casts a shadow of a 4 meter long. So what is given to us? This one is one vertical pole and sun is over there, and because of sunlight it is casting a shadow and which having a length as 4 meters. On the ground, at the same time, a tower casts a shadow, means exactly behind it or in that line only, one tower is there, and it is also casting a shadow of a 28 meter long. It means they not gave us the length of tower. Find the height of the tower. So they gave us these two things. And for this tower, they gave this length of shadow. They not gave us a length of tower that we have to find. So here we can guess it as H also, M also, anything, whatever you like. But if we are giving it a name as a triangle ABC, and if I am joining the hypotenuse, our hypotenuse for this triangle will be AC. And here let me give it name as PQ and R. It means triangle PQ and R. And if we are joining this slanting line, it is our hypotenuse and that is PR. So here as you can see, that is no use of AC and PR. But why we have drawn? Because we will use Pythagoras theorem, as this pole and that shadow will make angle as 90 degree over here. If we are making 90 degree over there, so from that what we will use? Here first we have to prove similarity of triangle ABC. Here we can not use Pythagoras theorem, because if we are using Pythagoras theorem, AA similarity will be not there. So this is the topic, means exercise 6.3 is specially based on AA similarity. So here we have to use AA similarity. And our last exercise will be depend on Pythagoras theorem. So there we will say that if angle is 90, and then we can use Pythagoras theorem. But in board exam, if this kind of question is there, so you will not understand that from which exercise they have asked you. So you can use any method, but right now we know that it is from exercise 6.3. So we must have to prove these two triangles similar, and by taking that two triangles similar, we will take ratios of the side and then we can find this PQ. So here I am beginning the process. Here I will say that here one angle that is given us as 90. So as you know that Pythagoras theorem is there, if one angle is 90 and another angle of another triangle is also 90, so rest angle will be also same. So here we can mention one line over here, that here angle B and angle Q are 90 degree. The reason we will give that is vertical line AB and BC will make 90 degree over here. So in our similarity we will mention this thing, that this thing you not have to write, this is for our understanding that it will make 90 degree over there. So here I am beginning our question that your triangle ABC will be similar to triangle PQ and R. So we can take ratios of that side, means we will take this AB by that PQ, and that will be equals to this CB by that RQ, and that will be equals to this AC by this PR. But here, as I told you, that we want AB and CB and PQ So we will not consider this side, we will just take AB by PQ and that will be equals to CB by RQ. Now here we will just substitute values like AD is equals to 6 cm and PQ we don't know, so we will write it as PQ. CB is 4 cm and RQ is 28 cm. Now here we will do some cross multiplication. So it will become 6 into 28 and that will be equals to 4 into PQ. Now as you know, we will make this PQ alone. So we are keeping PQ as it is. We have to take down this 4. So it will look like 6 into 28 by 4 and it is equals to what? It is equals to PQ. Now we will try to substitute it. So here I am reducing it. 7 4s and 6 7s. So here we will write our answer. 42, and if it is in meter we will mention that unit it is in meter. So this is the end of question. First you have to prove similarity of two triangles. So we will write it as AA similarity. Then only you can compare two triangles and you can write ratios of their side. Then whatever you want you will write over here, you will substitute values, you will do cross multiplication and you will make alone PQ and there will be your answer. Describe the concept of AA similarity, that how these two triangle can be similar, that they not give you any angle, they not give you any 90 degree over there or anything. Then how we have proved that two triangles similar? So here I would like to demonstrate you that these are the two buildings. One is the tower and another is that pole, and they are casting the shadow. If we will draw the line, means if we are drawing the vertical height, so let us draw, and if we are drawing that angle, and if we are drawing the height of this as well as the horizontal line for that, so what we can see over here? So if we will take a protector, so you will find what you will find. So let me complete it, let me draw the whole line so you will understand it in better way. So if we are drawing it in proper way and if we are joining this line in proper way, and if we are again taking this height, exact height we have to take, then only we will get exact angle. And we have to take exact shadow of it. And if we are joining it, so what you can see over there, if you will measure with protector, you will find these angles same. All the three angles will be same. So here you can say that by using AA similarity, we can prove this concept in a very easy way. This is our last question. If AD and PM are the median of triangle ABC, so let us draw the figure. If we are drawing one triangle and giving it name as triangle ABC, it having median AB. So again I will tell you that what is median? Median is that it will divide the side into two equal parts. It is not necessary that it will land over here and it will make 90 degree over here. So we are talking about median, we are not talking about perpendicular. So here AD is our median. If AD is median, so we can write that if AD is a median, so we can write that BD is equals to CD. This thing we can write because AD is median. So here I am reading the question again, and the PM of a triangle PQR means another triangle they have given as triangle PQNR. So let us give it name as P, Q and that R. And it having median as PM. So here if we are drawing one line and if we are giving it name as M. As I told you that it will divide side QR into two equal parts. So here we can take in our given that if PM is a median, then what we can write, that is QM, and that will be equals to that MR. So this thing we can write definitely. Now what they have given another thing respectively, where triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So in our given, few more things they have given, that they gave directly us as triangle ABC, and that will be similar to triangle PQR. Then what we have to prove? Then we have to prove this AB by this PQ, means this AB and by this PQ, and that will be equals to this AD and by this PM. So what will be its third side? So here we not have to take this whole triangle, but here we have to talk about ABD and this PQM. It means in a smaller way, if I am writing this triangle and another triangle as PMQ. So how we can write the ratio? So if we will prove these two triangles similar, so ratios of their side will be same. Means we have to find all six parts of this. Else we can, if we are proving this AB by PQ and that is equals to this BD by QM and that will be equals to this AD by this PM. If we are successful in proving this, then we can prove these two triangles similar. But here, as you know, that what is given to us in that large triangle, they not give this thing. Whatever we have to prove, they not give this thing. They gave us this side and that will be equals to this side, and this whole side BC and this side QM, and by adding that MR it will make a QR. So how we will prove? So first we will take this whole large triangle, and in that we will use this AB by PQ and that BC by QR as well as this angle B and Q same. So if we are taking this small triangle, in that again this AB will come and this PQ will come, and as I told you, this angle will come along with that side, and if we having this large side BC and QR, so we will divide it into two equal parts, so we will get this ratio of BD and QM also, so we can write whatever we have to prove. And this thing will be easier for us if we are doing these kind of things. So let us write what is given to us. So first we will take this large triangle. Here I am writing what we have to prove. So what is our to prove? So what we have to prove, that is this AB by this PQ and that is equals to this AD by this PM. So here we are beginning our proof. Let me begin our proof. So for which triangle we are talking? So I am talking about in triangle ABC and another triangle, that is triangle PQR. Let us write all similarities of the triangle, and whenever it will be useful to us, we will use it. So here all the six parts of this triangle and this triangle will be same. So let us first write angle A, that will be exactly equals to that angle P. As we know in similarity, all angles are same, but the ratios of the side is same. Sides are not exactly same, but angles will be same. So let us write angle B, that will be equals to that angle Q, and the last one, that angle C, is equals to R. Now wherever this thing will be useful to us, we can give this whole as equation 1. Right. Now another six part of this triangle that we can write, that is the ratios of the side, means here we can write this AB by this PQ, and that will be equals to this AC by this PR, and that will be equals to this whole BC by that whole QR. So here, as you know, now here we not have to talk about this thing. We have to talk about this small triangle, because I have taken, you can take that side also, but I am comfortable by taking this side, so I am taking only this part of triangle. So here we will give focus on that. If we are successful in proving these two triangles similar, our answer and our ratio will come automatically. So main motto of R is, this is not given to us. This is not given to us. Only AB by PQ is given to us. So here further on we will move. We will give at equation number 2. Wherever it will be useful, we will use. But here we will do some changes. If we have to talk about AB by PQ, so let us take AB by PQ. Here we remove that AC and PR, so we not need this, so we will not take this. But we want this BC by QR, so let us write BC by QR. But what is another form of that BC by QR? So here we can write BD is equals to CD, and that is a half of what? So that is the half of that P and C. And QM and MR is what? That is a half of that whole QR. So now on the place of this BSC, we can write 2 times of BD, and on the place of QR, we can write 2 times of QM. So here I am replace some value from given. So in bracket I will write that AB by PQ, and that will be equals to what? 2 times of BD by 2 times of QM. And how we wrote this? So in bracket we will mention that from given. If you are mentioned it in given, you can write from given. If you are not mentioning over here, you can write the whole thing. The same thing, BD is equals to CD is equals to this over here. But I have mentioned in given, so I am writing from given we can write. We will reduce it. So let us, what we got? We got AB by PQ, that will be equals to BD by QM. Now wherever is useful this to us, we will use it. So let us do some sign over here. So here what we have to mention? We got this AB by PQ and we got this BD by QM. So directly we will use this equation 1 because we got ratios of the two sides, and here angle B and that is angle Q. So we can use by side and we will prove these two triangles similar. So here I will mention one thing, that here what is same. So let me write, and angle B is equals to angle Q. From where we have written? From equation number 1 we have written. So by using this, so let us give few numbers. So let us give it as 3 and 4. So here I will mention from equation 3 and 4. What we can write? We will directly write triangle ABD, and that will be similar to triangle PQNM. Take care of that. Where is A, that should be P, and wherever is B, that Q should come, and wherever is D, M should come. So these two triangles are similar. By which criteria? The two sides, and along with that side angle is there. So by using side angle side, we can write this. Now we have proved these two triangles similar. If these two triangles are similar, another thing we can write from that, that is AB by this BD, this PQ, and that will be equals to this BD by this QM, and that will be equals to this AD by P. Now whatever we want in our proof, we will keep it, else we will not write. So we want AB by PQ and AD by PM. So let us find, this is AB by PQ and this is AD by PM. So let us write, therefore we can write AB by PQ and that will be equals to AD by PM. So concept of this question was that we have to take one large triangle and another large triangle. That is given to us that this whole exactly large triangle will be same, but we have to separate, divide it into two parts. Then we will take a ratio, then we will show angles, and then we will show side angle side, and we will show these two triangles similar. And after doing these two triangles similar, we will write one ratio, and in that whatever we want we will keep, else we will not write. This is the end of question as well as end of the exercise.